Welcome to FBC Kids Online Science Camp. My name is GJ Farmer and I'm the children's pastor at First Baptist Church in Somerset, Kentucky. Over the next few sessions, we're going to be doing some fun science experiments to show us how truly amazing God's creation is. Now, I'm no scientist. I have this white jacket and these goggles on, and chances are you're no scientist either. But over the next few sessions, we'll get to pretend like we are as we do some fun experiments together to see how awesome our God is. First off, in this session, we're going to be talking about the first 2 days of creation. I wanted to read a few verses to you from Genesis chapter 1, and that's where the whole creation story kind of unfolds for us. In Genesis, that word there means beginning. It's like beginning of everything. And so thankfully, God's word tells us how everything started. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness covered the surface of the watery depths, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. Then God said, 'Let there be light,' and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and God separated that light from the darkness. God also called the light day. He called the darkness night. Evening came, and then morning, the first day." So on the first day, God said, "Let there be light," and there was light, and God separated the light from the dark. Well, then God said on day 2, "Let there be an expanse between the waters, separating water from water." So God made the expanse and separated the water under the expanse from the water above the expanse, and it was so. And this expanse, it says, God called it sky. And that's what we look up, we see the sky every day and it's separate from everything else. Well, it says here, God called the expanse sky. Evening came, and then morning, the second day. Have you ever looked up at the sky at different times of the day and noticed how it looked like it was different colors? One time it might be blue, another time it might be red, or even like a purple or orange, something like that. Have you ever looked at it and wondered why it looks like that? Well, the experiment that you're going to do in this session will hopefully show you and teach you why the sky can look differently. And what's so amazing is that when God created all of this, how beautiful we see the world, and we can look up at the sky and think, man, that just looks so awesome. All this design, all this creation shows us just a little glimpse of how glorious and how awesome God is. So take some time, do the experiment, and then click on to the next session, and I'll see you there.